A rootkit is a type of malicious software designed to provide unauthorized access or control over a computer system while actively hiding its presence from users and security tools. The term rootkit is derived from root, which is the administrative or superuser account in Unix-like operating systems, and kit, referring to a set of tools. Rootkits often target the core or root of the operating system to gain elevated privileges and maintain persistence. Key characteristics of rootkits include stealth. Rootkits are designed to operate covertly, concealing their presence from users and security software. This stealthiness makes them difficult to detect using traditional antivirus and anti-malware tools. Privilege escalation. Rootkits aim to obtain elevated privileges, such as administrative or root access, to gain control over the entire system. This enables them to execute malicious actions with high-level permissions. Persistence. Rootkits are often designed to remain on a system for an extended period without being easily removed. They may integrate into the operating system or system firmware, making them resistant to regular removal methods. Concealing activities. Once installed, rootkits can hide their activities, such as the presence of other malware, network connections, and malicious processes. This makes it challenging for users and security tools to identify and respond to the threat. Rootkits can be deployed through various means, including exploiting vulnerabilities, phishing attacks, or by piggybacking on legitimate software. They can target different operating systems, including Windows, Linux, and macOS. There are several types of rootkits, each with its own methods of operation. Some common types include kernel mode rootkits. These operate at the kernel level of the operating system, allowing them to intercept system calls and manipulate system data structures. User mode rootkits. These operate at the application or user level, typically by modifying system binaries or processes. Bootkits. Bootkits infect the master boot record, MBR, or the boot sector of the operating system, ensuring they are loaded during the system boot process. Detecting and removing rootkits can be challenging due to their stealthy nature. Specialized rootkit detection tools and security practices, such as regular system updates and secure computing habits, are essential for mitigating the risk of rootkit infections. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.